At least, yes. Now, 16 table. You see at the web camera and tell me the 16 table. Yes.
Okay, sir. 16 1 the 16, 16 2 the 32, 16 3 the 48, 16 4 the 64, 16 5 the 80, 16 6 the 96, 16 7 the 112, 16 8 the 128, 16 9 the 144, 16 10 the 1.
Amazing. 16 7 the how much?
16 7 the 112.
16 8 the?
16 8 the 128.
Very good. Amazing. Okay, 3 enough. We'll discuss tomorrow. Again, daily we'll discuss. It will be revision for everybody. Okay, right. Amazing. Good. I appreciate you. Very good. Very, very, very good. Because you followed my instructions. It will be definitely useful. Yes. Right. Yes. Okay. Next person. Ashrit Ram, unmute. Ashrit Ram, unmute yourself. Fast.
Sir.
Very good, boy. You know 19 table, but I told everybody to learn up to 20 tables. You tell me honestly, how many tables you learned?
Sir, I learned up to once I came 19 table. I am still practicing 18, 17, 16.
Have you listened to her? Listened to her while she is telling the tables. Have you listened or not?
No, sir.
Yes, you have to listen. Okay, you have to listen. While listening, also you can get. Okay.
In that time, my network has gone.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, you tell me 19 table at least. Put on your video and tell me the 19 table. You know 19 table now.
Sir, 19 ones are 19, 92 the 38, 93 are 57, 94 76, 19 5 are 95, 19 6 are 114, 19 7 are 133, 19 8 are 152, 19 9 are 171, 19 10 are 90, 19 10 are 90, 19 9 are 171, 19 8 are 152, 19 7 are 133, 19 6 are 114, 95 are 95, 19 4 are 76, 93 are 57, 19 2 are 38, 19 1 are 19.
Amazing. Okay, good. But I am not appreciating you, just good only because I told you to learn up to 20 tables. I think you at least you are not tried even. I have messaged in the WhatsApp group because you know 19 table already. Okay, what's the new table you learned till now, yesterday to till now? Okay, you didn't spend your time. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir, I'll practice steps fully.
Yes, Tanvi, ask your doubt.
Sir, I sent my story, sir. Did you see it?
Yes, I will see. I will see after this class. Okay, I will see. Yes. Okay, okay. I will see. I will see. Okay, Ashrit Ram, yesterday I told if you sacrifice your time, your goal will be sacrificed. Means I told you to learn up to 20 tables. If you sacrifice your time in learning, you won't get that table. Understood? This simple. So you should not sacrifice your time for all watching movies, those all things. If you do so, it will be sacrificed. Okay. Shall I tell one live example once again? Your father, if your father won't go for a job, okay, if your father or mother, if your mother won't cook that sweet foods, those foods, in spite of enjoying, means watching serials or watching movies, you won't get food perfectly. Okay, you won't get sweet food, you won't get sweets. So like that only, if you sacrifice your time, you won't get these all things. You won't ever. Okay, not only Ashritram, for everybody. Okay, I hope everybody will learn. Very good boy, Ashritram. Okay, right. Yes, I hope he will learn up to 20 tables. He learned 19 table. Very good. But you learn up to 25 tables. I hope you will learn up to 25 tables. Okay, right. Next person, Srihita. Are you ready? How many tables you are perfect? Meanwhile, remaining children, you revise the tables or you see in the notes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Srihita, how many tables? What did you do? I told everybody, not only Srihita, spend 2 hours of your valuable morning time on Navodaya. In that maximum time you spend on mathematics. No one sent me the message. No one sent me the what we'll call homework. What did they do? I think they are not doing. I think they forgotten to do 2 hours of work morning time. If SAR is giving daily PPT, even SAR, okay, you don't depend on SAR's work only. You have to create your own work. Means you have to learn twin primes, composite numbers, prime numbers. You have to write in your notes. Writing in the notes is not enough. You have to write in your mind. Okay, at examination hall, you won't take that formula book. You will take your mind. Okay, you have to control your mind for watching movies or TVs. Okay, if online classes are there, means nothing will happen. But before online classes, you spend 2 hours. Okay, morning time, early morning is most precious time. Okay, you should not waste like that. Okay, children, this is helpful for you only. Okay, very good, very good. This will be helpful for you only. Nothing, I won't get nothing. I have to work on myself 2 hours. Okay, I am working morning 2 hours, but it won't be useful for you. If you work means, then only it will be useful for you. Okay, yes, I hope, because your mother and father are sacrificing their valuable time and they are working for money and giving you this much valuable education, giving you a lot of many resources. Okay, that's why you have to utilize your time, children. Okay, right, very good. So now Srihita, yes, I am getting back to Srihita. Yes, how many tables you learned, Srihita? Unmute first. Speak out.
Sir,
You tell me honestly. Are you spent your time or not? Spent your time on learning or not?
no,
Learning those
sir,
tables. I think you forgotten.
no, sir.
Yeah, you tell me how many tables you know. How many tables do you know?
Sir, 15.
15. Very good. Amazing. You tell me that 15 table. Fast. Wait, it's already recording. Yes, 15 table. Go ahead.
15 ones are 15, 50 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 60, 15 fives are
Keep away
70,
somewhat away.
16 six are 105,
15 fours are 60. 1 minute, 1 minute. Keep your mobile somewhat away. Yes, very good. Yes, go ahead.
15 six are 105, 15 sevens are 135, 120,
Again, from 15 Faiza, you tell me from 15 Faiza, 15 Forza, how much? Tell me 15 Forza.
60.
Yes, go ahead from that. Okay. Remaining children, you revise and practice in your mind. Okay. Yes, 15 Forza 60. Go ahead fast.
15 15 fives are 100, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 105, 15 sevens are 120, 15 eights are 135, 15 nines are 140. 40.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Sorry.
Tell me, okay,
Sorry,
you tell me
sir.
again. So what is going here? 15, you are adding 15. 15 twos are, means you are added 2 times. That's why 15 plus 50, 30. 15 threes are 45 means you are adding 15 for 3 times. 15, 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45. Like that, you have to visualize in your mind. If I add 15 fours are means I have to add 15 for 4 times. 15, 15, 30, 30, 30, 60. 15 5 is 75 means 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 15, 60, 60 plus 15, 75. Like that, 5 times I have added 15. That's why 15 5 is 75. Actually, multiplication means continuous addition. Okay, 15 6 are 90 means how like it will come? 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. Again, one more I am adding. So 15 6 are 90. You missed 15 6 are 90. Okay. Yes, go ahead. From 15 5 from 15 5 you go ahead fast.
15 fives are 75, 15 six are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150.
Very good. Amazing. Extraordinary. You tell me 14 table.
14.
Could you tell me 15 table from down to up?
Okay, sir.
Yes, go ahead fast.
15 tens are 115, 15 nines are 135, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are
7,
15,
8.
15
Go ahead.
8s are 15 8s are 105.
15
15
8s are 120.
6s are
Yes, 15 7s are
120.
105. Yes, from first onwards you start. 15 10s are. You visualize, just visualize, concentrate on your mind, okay? And see at the camera. Yes, now go ahead fast.
15 10s are 150. 15 9s are 135. 15 8s are 120. 15 7s are 175.
105.
105, sir.
Yes, go ahead
15
fast.
15 6 are 100. 15 6 are 90. 15 5s are 15 5s are 75. 15 4s are 60. 15 3s are 45. 15 2s are 35.
30. 15 to the 30.
30 30 30 30.
15 plus 15, I told now. 15 plus 15. 2 times you added. 30. 15 ones are 15. So what's you are doing here? 150, you are subtracting 15. You will get 135. 135 minus 15, you will get 120. Okay, you are subtracting 15, 15, 15. You can write in your notes. You can practice in your notes. You send me that. Morning 2 hours. Utilize your morning 2 hours. Valuable time. Okay. It's in your hand, children. If you want to become Olympic champion also, you can become. But 10 years, you have to struggle every day. Okay. Yes. Because you have to utilize your time. Tell me, Srita, tell me. Yes, tell me 14 table. Yes.
14.
Yeah, tell me first.
Don't know, sir.
Okay, up to down, at least you tell up to down. I'm asking 3 times, 3 tables. Enough. 3.
3 tables.
Means 3
14
tables you
ones
already
are
covered 15 2 times, and now this one you will complete 3. Everyone getting 3 chances. Yes, go ahead fast.
14 ones are 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 104. 14 sevens are 100. 14 sevens are 98. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 109. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140.
Very good. You tried very well. Okay, very well. Tomorrow you have to complete 20 tables. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
It's very easy. Just addition. If 16 table means 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 16, 48. That's all you have to remember in your mind. Continuous addition. Okay, right. Very good. Very well. You told very well. Till now, as far till now, we have completed. Yes.
Have, sir, my timer.
What you are doing every day? You tell me when you are getting up. Everybody listen. Okay, now. Yeah, tell me when you are getting up.
Sir, 6:30.
You get up at 6. Next day you get up at 5:30. You get up at 5.
Fire.
You are going to sleep at 8:30.
Sir, my sister. Sir, you are in mute.
Okay, my friend called me. Okay, okay. My friend, my
Sir,
best
I
friend
get up
called me.
6:30.
Yeah,
Sir,
when
I
you
get up
are going to bed, everybody. This is not only for Srihita children. Everybody, you can concentrate. Okay, everybody. It's useful for everybody. You have to get up early. Okay, that's
Sir,
why.
I sleep 9.
Yeah, when you will get up.
Sir, 6 or 6:30 or 6:15 or
Okay. 15 minutes, you go behind. Okay. If you are getting at 5 a.m. means you will get 2 hours to study. No one will disturb. Who will disturb?
Sir.
Your mother can't wake up. Your mother won't disturb. If your sisters, if you're having siblings means they won't even disturb you. Understood? At that time you can spend your 2 hours.
Get up 4:30.
Yes.
Sir, if I wake up at 5 o'clock, only half an hour I can study, sir.
Means what you have to do means you have to just after wake up, you tell to yourself, I am going to utilize this day very extraordinary way. Okay, I am becoming very intelligent girl. Everybody, if you're boy means you have to tell, I'm going to become intelligent boy. You have to, if you are feeling sleepy, you just get up and yes, like this you become yourself. Okay, you activate yourself. Even I used to sleep like that only, but now I have changed my attitude or changed my behavior, or it's not behavior, attitude. I changed my way of way of living in the early morning. You have to activate your mind by doing yes, like this you appreciate yourself. I have got up at this early morning. I am very happy for this, and I utilize my time very carefully. Like this, you have to
Sir,
appreciate yourself.
2.5 hours early I need to wake, sir.
Okay, no problem. But don't directly go for Srihita is telling, sir, I will get up at 4:30. Okay, if you get up at 4:30 tomorrow is enough. Okay, but not enough. You have to get up at 4:30 till the examination date. Means last whole day you have to whole year you have to continue like this every
Sir,
day.
when will
Consistency.
you wake up?
This
sir?
is tell me.
Sir, when will you wake up?
I will wake up at before 3:30 a.m. maximum before 4 a.m. Before 5 a.m. exactly. I will wake up before 5 a.m. only. Okay, I won't get up at 5 a.m. like that. If I feel very sleepy means I will sleep, but I will definitely wake up before 5 a.m. only. Before 5 a.m. Even before 4 a.m. 3:30. 4 a.m. also. Okay, you can try okay, but if you have to sleep fastly. Okay, if you go to bed at, I think you go to bed at 8:30. I think then it's enough. Okay, 8 hours is enough.
No, sir.
If you go for
10
9
o'clock.
also no problem, 9:30 also no problem, but if you are going for sleep at 9:30, you wake up at 4:30 or 5. Okay, yes, right. Now yes, we'll go for our discussion. Very good, Srihita completed and Tanvi told. Yes, very good. Tell me. Okay, right, I'm muting. Yeah, now it's a task for everybody. Learn 20 tables. Okay, right. Now Jaideep. Yes, Jaideep. 3 tables fastly complete. Your highest table you tell me first and then 3 times. Okay, yes, fast, complete fastly. We should discuss our English grammar also. Yes, go ahead.
16.
Yes,
16 table.
Yes, go ahead.
16 to the 32, 16 for the 48, 16 for the
16 3 is 48. 16 3 is 48.
16 3 is the 48. 16
Yes, go ahead,
for
fast.
the 16 for the 50.
16 for the 64. 64.
64. 16 5 is the 16 5 is the 80. 16 6 is the 16 6 is the.
You can remember like this also. See, Jaideep, what is the how much? 15 4 is how much? 15 4 is
So 15 for the 64.
15 4 is 15. 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. 15 15 30 30 30 60. 60. You add 60, you add 4. You add 4 to 60. How much you will get? 64. That is only 16 for the 64. You add 4 to 64, you will get 68. That is only 17 for the 68. You add 4 to 68, you will get 72. That is only 18 for the 72. And you add 19. 19 for the means 72 plus 4, 76. 19 for the 76. Like that. Okay. You can remember like this. These all techniques you have to apply in your mind. Okay. Yes. Now complete 16 table. 16 1 is 16, 16 to the 32, 16 3 is the 48, 16 4 is 62, 16 5 is the 80, 16 6 is the 80 plus 16, 96, 16 7 is the 96 plus 16, 112, 16 8 is the 128, 16 9 is the 144, 16 10 is the 160. Yes, go ahead. Now you have to, without 1 second gap, you go ahead fast.
16 1 is the 16, 16 to the 32, 16 4 is the 16 3 is the 48, 16 4 is the 16 4 is the 64, 16 5 is the 80, 16 6 is the 96, 16 7 is the 16 7s are 112. 16 8s are 128. 16 9s are 144. 16 10s are 160.
Amazing. Good, good. Right. 15 table. Fast. Easiest one.
15 1s are 15. 15 2s are 30, 35. 15
15 plus 15, how
Threes are-
much? 15 plus 15, how much you tell me?
30.
You told 35. Yes, go ahead. Again, 15 table. Fast. You told 15 to the 35. Yes, you
30,
rectify
15.
this mistake. Yes, go ahead. Fast.
15 3 is a 48, 45, 15 4 15 4 is a 15 4 is a 60, 15 5 is a 15 5 is a 65, 15
75. 75.
15 15 7 is a
15 6 are 90.
15,
75 plus 15, 90. You can think like this. 15 plus 15, 13. 30 plus 15, 45. 45 plus 15, 60. 16 plus 60 plus 15, 75. 75 plus 15, how much? 75 plus 15, 90. 90 plus 15, 105. 105 plus 15, 120. 120 plus 15, 135. 135 plus 15, 150. That's all. Okay, very good. You tried very well. Yes, we have to complete our discussion.
so
That's why.
answer me and tell.
Tell me fast. Tell me fast.
15 1 is a 15, 15 2 is a 30, 15 3 is a 45, 15 4 is a 60, 15 5 is a 75, 15 6 is a 15 6 is a 90, 15 7 is a 1 102, 105, 105, 15 8 is a 15 8 is a 120, 15 9 is a 15 9 is a 135, 15 10 is a 50.
Okay.
150.
Yes, very good. So this task for everybody, just after wake up, first 2 hours, you have lot many work. You can revise 20 tables, 25 tables. Okay, daily. Okay, if you are feeling sleepy, you can read out somewhat. 15 mother 15 15 to the or down to up. You can read out prime numbers. If you read out means, if you speak out means, your sleepiness will decrease. Okay, like this you can follow many activities. Okay, very good. Jaideep, you revise. I hope you will revise and you will become perfect after 20 tables.
Okay,
25
sir.
also. Yes, okay, right, very good. Now Yashasvi, unmute. Next Shruti, get ready. We have to complete fast. Yes.
And
Yes, tell me.
15 table.
Yeah, tell me fast.
15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60, 15 5 is 75, 15 6 is 90, 15 7 is 105, 15 8 is 120, 15 9 is 135, 15 10 is 50, 150.
Very good, very good. Are you ready to tell one table or okay? We'll discuss. We'll revise tomorrow also. I have to take one table at least because it's we have to cover English grammar also. No. Yes. Right now, very good. Okay. Yes. We will. You can make a video. Okay. You can make a video and send it to me. Tell me.
Sir, before yesterday you 1 minute sentences say like the segment.
Are you ready to tell 1 minute? 1 minute English. Yes. Tell me. Yes. Tell me now. Speak.
Village name is Pedapalli. My village is located Mandal Pedapalli, district Pedapalli, which is nicely developing village. My village contains greenliness and nice nature. People in the villages have nice culture and humanity. And village in people is nice people and good village. Thank you. That's
Okay,
all,
right.
sir.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Yes. Next. Shruti. Yes, unmute. Fast. Now, Shruti, which table?
table.
Very good. Go ahead.
15.
Yes, go ahead. Fast.
15 1 is 50, 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60, 15 5 is 75, 15 6 is 90, 15 7 is 105, 15 8 is 120, 15 9 is 135, 15 10 is 150.
Amazing. Amazing. Yes, we'll discuss tomorrow also. Now I am share. We have to complete this. What we'll call Goel brothers. Yes. Now you once everybody get up.
Thank
Stand
you.
up. Stand up fast. Stand up. You stay standard. Okay, I took lots of time, so we have to complete this one. Stood up and sit down fast. Sit down, sit down, sit down fast. Sit down. See left, left, right, left, right. Slowly, slowly turn your head. Right, left, 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 right, up, 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 down. Slowly, slowly down, up, down, 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 up, 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 up. Okay, yes. See from forward. Yes, front, front. Okay, right. You must raise your hands, raise your head like this only. Okay. When you will get that much confidence, study. Okay, study and get that confidence. Okay. Yes, sir, we have discussed this. Have had. We'll discuss again. I think question
Questions
and
and answers.
answers.
In this chapter, we will learn
Is this
how
completed?
to
Question and
ask
answers.
questions and answer them. Look at these questions and answers.
Not complete. Okay, we'll
Listen
discuss.
to me carefully. What color is this pen?
What color is this pen?
It is red.
It's red pen.
What are these? They are cups and saucers. What are those?
What are those?
They are stars. Are there children in the park? Yes, there are.
Yes, there are.
No,
No,
there aren't.
they aren't. They
May I
are
come
not.
in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Yes,
You
you
may.
may. Yes, you may.
No, you may not.
No, you may not because
Can
you are
speak
late.
English?
Can you speak English?
Yes.
Yes, I can. I can.
No,
No, I
I
cannot.
can't. No. We put a question mark at the end of a
No,
question.
each question.
Here
We put
are
question
some
mark
more
at
questions
the end
and
of each
answers.
question.
Listen and repeat after
Repeat
me.
after me.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name
My name is
Zian.
Chandrasekhar Ratipelli.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
I am 22 years
What
old.
is your father?
What is your
He
father?
is a doctor.
He is a
How
businessman
many
or he is
brothers
a
and
teacher,
sisters
not a
have
businessman.
you?
He is a teacher.
I have
How
one
many brothers
brother
and sisters
one sister.
have you? I have one brother.
Where
Not
do
I
you
have
live?
one sister.
I
Where do you
live
live?
at 10 Nehru Street.
I live at Pragati Nagar, Peddapelli. Okay, these videos I will send you. Okay, after recording, there's recorded video also there. I will send. You can answer to yourself. Okay, these are all questions. Is common questions for everybody. Okay, I will ask everybody how you will answer. I will see. First question, everybody, it's known already. Okay, how you will answer? I will see.
My name is Zian.
Now, yes,
Listen and repeat.
I'm muting everybody. You have to shout. Go on shouting. Who will answer? I will see. Go on. Yes, now.
After me. What is your name?
What's your name? My name is Srihita.
My name is
Surname.
Tanvi. My name is Tanvi.
Including your
My name-
surname. You add surname after your name.
My name is
Chandrasekhar
Tanvi.
Ratipelli. My surname is Ratipelli. Chandrasekhar Ratipelli. Okay,
My
here they
name is
didn't give. They
Tanvi
didn't ask.
Poreti.
My name is
Yes, my name is Jayan. My name is Chandrasekhar. Okay,
My name
yes,
is Tanvi.
Zian.
yes, very good.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I
3 years
am
old.
I am
How many years?
10
Tanvi
old.
told
10 years.
some- 10 years. Okay.
10 years old.
10 years. Yashasvi, how many years? How old are you, Yashasvi? Srita, how old are you? Srita, how old are you?
9.
9. Okay, you are
9.
next year. At 5th class, you will also become 10 years old. Okay, very good, right? Even when I went to Navodaya, I am 11 years old. Means
I am 10
in 6th
years
class.
old.
In 6th class, I am 11 years. 11 or 12 years old. Around 12 years old. In 6th class. When I went to Navodaya. Okay, right. Do you know I have studied 7 years in Navodaya only? Yes, 1 minute. Sushma, chappu.
7 years old. What is your father? He is a doctor.
My father.
How many brothers and sisters
My
have
father.
you?
My father
I
is a software
have
engineer.
one brother and one sister.
0.
Where do you live? I live at 10 Nehru Street.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters you have? Means siblings. Do you know what is meant by siblings?
0, sir.
1.
Okay, no problem.
How
Here,
2 brothers.
2 brothers.
Sir, I have.
Own
I have
brothers.
2.
Own.
Sir,
I didn't got. Yeah, tell me.
I have one sister. Sir,
Who?
I have one brother.
Did he fight with you? Shall I tell once, Tanvi? If you have brother or sister means he used to fight
Sir,
with you.
actually, just I joked, sir. I have a brother.
Okay, you have brother. Big brother or small? Younger one or he is older one? Okay, he is older one. If he has younger one, he used to fight with you. Yes, okay. How
Sir,
many?
now also we both will fight.
Okay, you should not fight. Srita is a champion in fighting, I think. She is reading. Okay. Yes, no problem. You all have siblings. Okay. Yes, you should. What will call you? You have to forgive your sister. This is all for funny only. Okay. Who will fight with you? Your sisters or brothers only, na? It is all for funny. Okay. Don't take it as serious. You can fight with them funnily. Okay. Yes, right.
Questions and answers.
Yes, we have completed this old father. What's your father? Everybody tell me.
My father is a software engineer.
And
Okay, your
one
father is a
sister.
software engineer at where? Where? Yeah, tell me.
My
He
father
is in Optum.
Optum, okay. Yes, he is working for I think 15 years or 10 years.
10 years.
Okay. Yes, now, yes, everybody answer. What's your father? Yashasvi, Srita, what's your father? What is the question? How they asked the question? Where do you live? What is your father?
No, sir.
How
There
many
is
Tell me.
brothers and what is your father?
Sir.
Tell me, what's your father? No one is, only Tanvi completed. You must be fast, children. You have to give competition. I have to tell fastly. Yes, Jaydeep, tell me, what's your father?
My
Jaydeep,
father
tell me.
is
Yes, Yashasvi, something you are telling. Yes, tell me. Yes, your father is?
lecturer.
Okay, very good. Farmer, yes. Next. Shruti.
My
Sri,
father is lecturer.
lecturer. Okay, very good. Very good. Amazing. Srita. Jaydeep, you tell me. You are seeing surroundings. You are not telling. You are not answering.
My father.
Sir, my father is teacher. And my mother also teacher.
Okay, very good. Amazing. Everybody, yes. You have to appreciate for your father's, mother's professions. Okay. Why they are doing these all things? To give a bright future for you only. Okay. To give bright future for you. Okay. Yes, you have to remember these all things. Okay. They are working each and every minute for your bright future only. Okay. And so you have to learn all these tables. That's why you have to become intelligent, talented girls and boys. Okay. Yes. My homework is for you again. Learn up to 20 tables and learn this had, has, were, was, these all things from English grammar. Okay. Vowels, consonants, all those things you learn and write in your notes. Practice in your notes and send it to me. Okay. Tomorrow 2 hours practice. Up to 20 tables.
Sir, completed questions.
Tell me.
The questions are completed.
Yes, questions completed. We'll discuss tomorrow. Time is also about to complete, and my work is to make a videos up to 20 tables. 20 tables, make a videos, and consonants and vowels. If you are having time only, okay. Work for 2 hours. Enough. Tomorrow.
Sir, I consonants and vowels do, sir.
Video did or not?
I sent, sir.
Okay, you send it to my number. Okay, everybody, that's your work, and up to 20 tables. Okay, that's why I'm not giving more work. Learn up to 20 tables perfectly and write that 15 table, 15 plus 15, 15 plus 15, like that you can practice.